Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Okay, guys, will you be quiet? That's my little grandbaby. That's Fat Mama. I need to look at, what's her name? Treasure Books. She has a checklist of how you go through doing your junk journal, or things that you need to decide, whatever case may be. I need to go back and look through that, but right now what I want to do is, I got these paper. This is the paper that I chose for as part of the pages for each signature. I chose 2 sheets out of each collection. At least I hope I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 sheets out of each collection, to fold, and then that'll be 2 pages. And what I need to do now is just cut these down to 8.5 by 11, so that I could fold these. And I'm going to be careful because I don't want to cut this side off. I don't know why I always cut this side out. It's just me. But I'm going to cut this side because I want to keep the graphic. So the side with the better graphic on, that's the side I'm going to try to steer away from cutting. Okay, and this thing seems like the only one that's like this. So I'm going to cut these down to 8.5 by 11. And they're already at 8.5. I did that a while ago. And I'm just going to take this last inch off. And I'm going to get these done, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got everything cut. I got my my 1-inch pieces here that, of course, is going to be saved to use as embellishments. And I just really need to fold these. And I'm just going to do this one time because, that's a pretty side. I don't know if I want, but that's right, there's going to be pages, so both sides are going to be open. So 11, that's 5.5. And I may be able to just fold these, but I just prefer to make sure that it's done right, because my folding skills are horrid. But I'm going to try and fold these. And this sheet, this particular orange sheet right here, is not necessarily a part of any collection. It was, I only have a few sheets of Gabrielle. I think it's Gabrielle. And I had purchased that particular sheet to go with it. And this right here is a Gabrielle. Oh no, it's Etc. Etc. I only had a few sheets. So these 2 sheets, I think, go with this. I'm not sure, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, get these folded like so, and like so. All right, so I'm going to use these as 4. I guess it's going to be 4 total of my sheets inside of each signature. So let me see. You know what? Okay. Let me put these away. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 8 sheets. I'm going to say 8 sheets for right now. So I got 1, 2, and I'm going to pull some of this T-dot paper that I had already done before. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay guys, sorry about that. My grandson came in and I forgot where I was. But I'm just gonna pick up. I had gotten some papers. See, listen, some tea-dye papers, and I'm folding them in half on the 11-inch side to see how my signatures are gonna be seated, or how they're gonna sit, or how they're gonna behave, I guess. Okay, I hope I got these kind of sort of straight. Alright, I don't even remember which one I'm going to use, but I'm going to start with this one. I think these two go together. I think. I don't even know which collection it's from. What I'll do is I will go back and check to make sure which collections go with what goes with what collection. I think these don't go. Well, let's see what I got here. I got this one right here. I cut this up. This is like a scrapbook sheet. Okay, this is that scrapbook sheet. This is from Etc. I know, because it has it in here. And I had to figure out how to cover that up. So I'm assuming this right here too also may be from Etc. So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did I miss one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 8 right here. So let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and 7, 8. Now this is just those 8 sheets like this. But one thing I did was I took 2 pages, 2 book pages, and glued them together. And I wonder if I could get these 2 in this book. And I'll probably take out one of the other sheets. Let me put it right here, since this could like really get it in place. Right about here-ish. There we go. So I may actually keep the 8 that I want to keep, and then just go back and add a book page. So it'll be like this, and then a scrapbook paper, and then more tea-dye paper, and here's a book page, a scrapbook paper, and then more paper, and then it starts over again. Now this is just a preliminary one, because I do want to find, I want to get some of the, what are the other things, like the, oh my goodness, like the envelopes. I want to put some of those in too. I don't want it to be just this, but I figure if I could get this part stable, I can actually go in and then take out and then add in, or just add in, you know, one of those type deals. As I create stuff, I can add stuff into this. Let me see, I have some corners that I had done. And let me see if I can find one really fast. I want to do one with you guys right quick. And I cut out a 4x4 square out of some tea-dye paper. And of course, you know, when I'm looking for it, I can't find it. So give me a minute. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Okay, here we go. So I have 2 squares and a doily. These are, I just cut them out at 4x4. No particular rhyme or reason, just 4x4. And I'm just going to take these and fold them in half from diagonal, like this. And this is a little thing that I saw on, I think it was Treasure Books. And so from here, she said you don't need like the whole doily, you just get a piece like this, because you're gonna tie down or adhere the other side. So you could do it like that, and then just cut off the excess. So I'm just gonna cut it right here. And I'm gonna add a little glue to this part right here, because it's gonna be secured. I'm gonna secure these to the backs of the pages. Oops, I pulled too hard right there, but that's okay because it's on the back. And I'm gonna cut that off in just a second. And then I'm just gonna, I don't know if this is the right way, but I just put a little sparsely little pieces of glue right there just to hold this in place. There we go. I'm gonna cut this little piece off right here. Take that little snippet off right there. And I went over on this one, but I'm not going to worry about it. Didn't mean to. See, like here, it's over. It's over some. I didn't mean to do that, but I'm not going to worry about it today. And this is a piece of just scrap paper that I had. And I'm going to try to round it a little bit right here-ish. And I'm thinking if I do that and take one of my yo-yo flowers and put it, but that may be too big on this one. But I am going to use it on another one. I do have some big ones like this. I think they're probably perfect on that one. Okay, here we go. So this is the bigger one. Let's see what this square is. This square is actually, this is like 5.5 inches square. And I think this would be cute. Let me see. I'm trying to make it so that, now that's too matchy. And see, this is light, so I probably was better keeping this green piece, because at least there's some contrast in there, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna see if I can't tear this so it won't be so straight and exact. Tear it right here. Probably should have turned it up the other way so that the white would come this way. Because if you tear it up, it tears the white away like that. You tear it down, it's on the other side like that. Might need to use the other side. How about that? You can see it though, that's for sure. So I'm thinking along that line. So let me see if there's another flower. Let's see, here they go. Cause I think I want that side. And I want some color. That's not enough color. I want like some deep color like that. So I think this is going to be my little decoration for this. Let me see if I can put a little bit of this. And this you can't hardly see. And this is just some of that mesh or tool, glitter tool. I wonder if we can put it behind there, like that, and then like that. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know in the description box below. But I'm going to go ahead on and, oh, you know what? I'm gonna use hot glue on this because I most definitely want to get this thing right here done. Okay, and is there anything else I want to do right now? I don't think so. I'm going to stop this video right now because, of course, the grands are here, and go back, watch the video, figure out where I am, and then come back with more constructed way of trying to get this together. Okay, guys, this video is kind of all over the place, but when I come back in my next video, I'm gonna try to be more focused so we can most definitely, oh have mercy, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more focused so I can get this done and not be scattered like this table is looking right now. Okay, so just please bear with me and stick with me through the end of my junk journal journey. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.